Kaunti 12 nicio cirongoreirio gukinyirwo ni motungata matari marihi ma ugima wa mwiri maria maraheanwo ni gikundi kia M-Pesa Foundation gikinyitanira na anyiti itemi angi.
Where we check for non-communicable diseases, we have an eye clinic, we have a fistula clinic, we have a nutrition clinic, a pediatric clinic.
Gikundi giki kia M-Pesa Foundation kiria ni muruna wa kambuni ya motungata ma thimu ya Safaricom kirutite kigina gia ciringi milioni 77.
I think for me, I love that at Safaricom we believe in transforming lives.
Atafania a motungata maya aria maritie maritura-ini ria Mathare kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kuria andu 5,000 magunikite na motungata macio ma ugima wa mwiri hamwe na mwari guthurimwo kansa ya nyondo na ya njira ya uciari guthimwo cukari na urigiti wa murimu wa fistula.
And what has surprised me is that the people who've come for this camp have come from far and wide. I've met somebody from where? I've met some few people from Kiambu, Kamulu. So the catchment has expanded more than what we had anticipated, but we were ready for the overflow of people.
Wakanielezea hii shida yangu inaweza tatuliwa kwa haraka. Whereby wakanipatia appointment ya Tuesday niende nifanyiwe upasuaji. Na M-Pesa Foundation wamenisimamia kila kitu kuanzia hiyo process yote ya operation mpaka siku ile nitapona.
Oho M-Pesa Foundation ni heanite indo cia utheru, ureri na ufashiriri kuria atumia aciari thibitari-ini wa Mathare North. Kuma riria M-Pesa Foundation yambiriirie kambi ici cia motungata ma ugima wa mwiri matari marihi, muigana munene wa muingi ni ugunikite kaunti-ini cia Nairobi, Kakamega, Mombasa, Meru, Nyandarua, Kirinyaga na kungi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getu Wangari Maria wa Muigana.